Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a skinny chai tea latte tutorial. Once you follow along the recipe, you'll realize that it's mostly almond milk. So definitely not good for your wallet. But now that I was able to make an exact copycat, I'm going to show you how. And this copycat has even less calories. So if you follow me on social media, you know that I've been hyping this drink up and I've been drinking it almost every day. So let's get on with it. I just want to quickly mention that the original recipe at Starbucks, a Grande has 80 calories, and I'm going to make something that's equivalent to the Grande, but this one I believe has about 50 calories. I don't really remember, but I'm sure with the video we'll figure it out. The original recommended recipe by this TikTok user, which I'm actually going to put his username in the description in case you guys want to check out his content. He ordered a Grande iced chai latte with 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 1 pump of chai, and then substitute it with almond milk, which I feel like you can do that at home easily. Like, he just basically is giving you the recipe. But I mean, I didn't really know that they sold the chai concentrate at like stores like Walmart and Target. So once I found that out, I was like, all right, I'm going to make a copycat just because I need to save money. These are the ingredients I use, and you can find these at all of these at either Target or Walmart. So you have the skinny chai latte concentrate, and there's actually a regular chai latte, but we want less calories. I don't think that Starbucks has a skinny chai latte concentrate, so that's how we save calories in this recipe. And then unsweetened almond milk. We want our sugar-free vanilla syrup, and we want some ground cinnamon. This is optional. I just like to add it to add some more spice, but yeah, so you can find all of these at, like I said, Target or Walmart. I'm using this scale to calculate the calories for the purposes of this video, but I would say it's equivalent to a Grande drink, especially because I'm not going to be adding as much ice as they do at Starbucks. So you want to grab your cup and add some ice and then sprinkle some cinnamon over. I used to coat my cup with cinnamon, but I mean, it's the same result. I added a little too much, but you can just add like a teaspoon or so. So now we will be using the scale, and we're going to do about 35 to 40 milliliters of this. And this is why we add the cinnamon, because 30 to 40 milliliters of this concentrate doesn't really add too much spice. And then we do some of this, and I do like 3 seconds worth of this. 0 calories, so it doesn't really matter how much you add. It looks like a lot, but this has almost no sugar, and then the almond milk has like no sugar as well. So we want to make it sweet. And let's hope I actually have enough almond milk for this. Oh yeah, let's reset that. And then here we have 1 cup of 240 milliliters. Let's see how many I'm gonna put in here. Okay, and there we have it. So all that there's left to do is mix it up. And there we have our iced chai latte. Okay, this is our drink, and this specific drink came out to be 35 calories. It's so good.